This is a floppy disk. These were invented in the year 1971 by IBM as a way to store data and to transfer data between computers. Just like you have USB, hard drives, hard disks, and SSDs. The first floppy disk was 8 inches wide, which was huge compared to the ones that came after it. And each 3.5-inch floppy disk usually held only about 1.44 megabytes. That's about the size of a small photo today. But something we can't forget about floppy disks are their sound when inserted into a floppy disk reader. Usually computers would have these inbuilt back then, but here is a floppy disk reader that connects to the computer by via USB. And listen to this. Never gets old, does it?